The Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hagstrom is a comprehensive guide to the investment philosophy and strategies of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history. This book provides valuable insights into the principles and techniques that have made Buffett a billionaire and a legendary figure in the world of finance. The book is divided into several key sections, each of which delves into a different aspect of Buffett's investment approach. 1. Introduction to Warren Buffett. The book begins by introducing Warren Buffett, his background, and his remarkable track record as an investor. It sets the stage for the reader to understand why Buffett's investment strategies are worth studying. 2. Buffett's investment philosophy. The core of Buffett's philosophy is value investing. He looks for undervalued companies with strong fundamentals that have the potential for long-term growth. The book explores the concept of intrinsic value and how Buffett determines it. 3. The circle of competence. Buffett advises investors to stay within their circle of competence, meaning they should only invest in businesses and industries they understand. This section explains why this principle is essential for successful investing. 4. Buffett's tenets of investing. The book outlines Buffett's key investment tenets, including the importance of economic moats, sustainable competitive advantages, a focus on long-term thinking, and the avoidance of unnecessary risks. 5. Analyzing financial statements. Buffett's approach to analyzing financial statements is a critical aspect of his investment strategy. The book breaks down the key financial ratios and metrics that Buffett considers when evaluating a company's financial health. 6. Valuation techniques. Buffett's approach to valuation is explored in detail, including his use of discounted cash flow, DCF, analysis and the price-to-earnings, PE, ratio. The book also discusses how to estimate a company's intrinsic value. 7. Market psychology and behavioral biases. Buffett's success is partly attributed to his ability to stay rational and avoid common behavioral biases that affect many investors. The book examines these biases and offers insights on how to overcome them. 8. The art of stock selection. Buffett's stock selection process is elucidated, focusing on factors such as a company's competitive advantage, management quality, and growth potential. The importance of a margin of safety is also emphasized. 9. Portfolio management. The book discusses how Buffett builds and manages his portfolio. It emphasizes the principle of concentration, where Buffett invests heavily in his best ideas, rather than diversifying excessively. 10. The Berkshire Hathaway model. As the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's approach to managing a conglomerate is explored. The book explains how he acquires and manages subsidiary companies within the Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. 11. The Sage of Omaha succession. Given Buffett's age, succession planning is a significant concern. The book discusses the future of Berkshire Hathaway and the potential successors to Warren Buffett. 12. Appendices and additional resources. The book includes helpful appendices, such as sample financial statements and a glossary of key investment terms. It also provides a list of recommended reading for those interested in learning more about Buffett and value investing. In summary, The Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hagstrom offers a comprehensive and accessible exploration of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy and strategies. It serves as a valuable resource for both novice and experienced investors looking to gain insights from one of the most successful investors of all time. By studying Buffett's principles, readers can learn how to make informed investment decisions and potentially achieve long-term financial success.